Konting lambing lang sabi ko, nakakaiyak.
Oh, hindi ko na-record yun.
Yung favorite natin, it was actually our favorite Ideal series ever. So once again, thank you very much for joining us here. And as for popular demand,
tapos na.
what are you gonna do? Re-impact.
Okay na, tapos na. High touch na agad.
Okay na yun?
Okay na, high touch na agad. Wala na ako maintindihan. Buong panmit, wala ko maintindihan.
Hello? Nag-charge nga ako kami, hindi pa umabot tayo ba yun? Ipag ko.
Binenta ko na. Hala. Sorry.
Yeah, you guys will be reenacting your favorite scenes or the family's favorite scenes, but you
Mapatingin na.
Ilaw naman oh!
Saan?
Tayo ka na yun.
Napapagod ako, Mi.
Kami po.
Okay na may mga ulo dito. Hindi ko kayo ibabas, binigyan nyo ako freebie eh.
And I'm so sorry, but you
Nakabuka na pala ako dito.
Because why you have to go first?
Because this starts. Let's do handsome. Yeah. Okay. And is good. You okay?
Alam, balik na talaga nila oh.
You guys are gonna go first? Yeah? Okay. Please, let's break the sound as LED or at least what they're gonna role play. But for now, as we are waiting for that, how about a quick practice?
Sceneไหนครับน้องเอาเลยให้วอร์มก่อนsceneไหนไม่เห็นแฟนๆเขาบอกเขาอยากฟังซีนไม่อยากดูซีนฟังเสียงของชายมาโชว์ให้ดู
So do you want to see the one at the station part? See?
Yeah. You guys want to see that? You want me to be wine?
Boko yun?
That scene?
Totoo to, Mi. Totoo tong buhok na to. Masakit na anit ang inabot ko dito.
This one is only a practice. So the actual one will be coming up. So this one will be a practice first.
Pakipataya, turn it off.
No, not
Ba't may banner tayo? Ba't di na kami kinuha ng banner? Introvert yun na una.
Kasi ano eh. Kasama ko si... Sige, palitan nyo! Sige! Mark Junior.
We're gonna say the script in Thai, okay?
Okay!
3, 2, 1, action. พี่ฟ้าครับผมอกหักนะครับอกหัก
Uy, tutulak niya tayo yun. Itulak mo!
Hindi na daw kailangan itulak. Matapang eh si Junior. May kusa yan.
This is the junior mark for Santa and then Forest Book, yes? Okay, anyways.
Ayan ang itulak nyo.
Okay. Junior mark first. Yeah, junior mark first.
And everybody, let's all.
Yes!
ก็คนปกติเขาไม่ปลูกเชือกรองเท้าคนอื่นกันแล้วก็เมื่อกี้พี่ก็ไม่ปลูกเชือกรองเท้าคนอื่นกันไม่คุณต้องปลูกเชือกรองเท้าคนอื่นคุณคิดไม่ได้รู้สึก
Ayan na!
Tell me when to start. Okay?
Shall we start? Can we start? Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Action.
You guys say action. 3, 2, 1. Action! ระหว่างกับเชือกหลุดอย่างที่ถูกทำ
Si OA.
รู้ถูกได้ที่ถูกได้อะไรนั่นแหละ
That's it.
ผูกเชือกรองเท้าให้คนอื่นบ่อยสิใช่ไหม
So you do this to others as well, right?
ทำไม
Why?
ก็เมื่อกี้เห็นพี่ลงไปก้มผูกเชือกให้ผู้หญิงคนนั้นน่ะ
Because you do this to everybody else as well.
ป่านนี้คิดไปไกลไปแล้วมั้งว่าพี่ชอบ
You think that you flood around.
แล้วเมื่อกี้พี่ผูกเชือกรองเท้าไม่หวานว่าพี่ได้
Tatapang ng bebe ko.
มาใจงาน
May pahawak sa hita.
Okay. The end, guys. Can you give them the prop, please?
Ang tatapang. Nakakainis.
That's too easy.